Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Alright guys, y'all know why I'm here today. As you can see behind me, I just can't stay away from that water no matter how hot it is. So with no further ado, let's see if we can get something on that water, see if we can catch some bass today. I'm excited today guys. So what I'm starting off with something that usually been working for me. I'm starting off with my chatterbait. I think this is the Z-Man if I'm not mistaken. And I have the Fluke Junior Trailer Tail on it. So let's see what happens. Oh boy, that was a solid thump right there. Oh my goodness, that was a solid thump right there. I mean, the line just went slack. What in the world is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all know something? When you could tell that a bass is interested in what you casting to him or what you're throwing, look down there. That chatterbait is so far down in there, man. That was a big bass, guys. Yeah. Oh, he was sitting there holding it. He was sitting right there holding it in his mouth. Oh, Lord. I was trying to figure out why it stopped. Oh, look at that beauty right there. He stopped it and was sitting there holding it in his mouth. Okay, guys, it's fun. They're a little bit too small for what I need. Let's get them back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Boy, these little suckers hit with a vengeance, boy. Woo! Got on another one. All right. Me, these little ones is the one to get you. Gotcha. All right, guys. Still using the crankbait. See, like they don't want the chatterbait or the worm or anything like that, but hey, just got another one on the crankbait. Let's get him back. Let me see. Let's get this little fella back. Thanks, buddy. You might have didn't. I couldn't get him. He right there. Look at there. Okay. Goodbye. Alright guys, still using the crankbait, still catching the little one, still looking for that big one to show up. Let's get them back in the water. Oh, he came back and got it on the fall. Chain pickerel. No, it's a bass. Okay. Got it on. Doesn't worth anything. Let's get him back.